Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to talk about how to export the Revit model with the sheet title. So what exactly happens if you are going to uh, export it from export you must know that I'm in sheet views and export. See, so we have a set of sheets here, so I'm going to say in the current view sheet only. So next, for my case right now, I can go here and I can say like 1111 and just send it up. So what's going to happen that I have here my this one, and I have my title block and the model before. So zoom E for extent, or we can just go like here and say on here. So the problem here is that my model is without the total title block. So I am going to go ahead and layout, select this one, make control again, should be selected like this, control C, control V, select it, it needs scaling for 100, and I think that's it's going to be fine. Let's make it here, and yeah, perfect. Every single views of the title block exactly coming from the Revit.